Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Hello, how are you, all of you? I hope you are good. Today, I am going to teach punctuation. In punctuation, you have to see, you have to learn here apostrophe to show belonging. Apostrophe means this is the apostrophe here. See this word apostrophe, or see this punctuation. It's called apostrophe. Before going to see the questions or see the example, we will see the here. Read the sentence given. Rohan like Anjali's rangoli. Whose rangoli belong to? Anjali's. Here apostrophe is given. Anjali's rangoli. Okay. So apostrophe shows someone belongs to. Anjali's dress, Anjali's school bag, Anjali's rangoli. So Anjali's rangoli, it is belongs to Anjali. Apostrophe, yes, it shows here belongs to someone. Okay, means च्या मालकीचे असणे. The apostrophe, this is the apostrophe is here, it is here, and yes tells us that some things belong to someone. Okay. Now read the group of words here given. Rohan's clothes means clothes that belong to Rohan. Okay. Rohan's bag, the bags belong to Rohan. Okay. Rohan's bag, apostrophe is given, and yes, it means that is something, the bag, it is something belongs to Rohan. Okay. Now let us see the question. Insert the apostrophe. We have to use apostrophe in the correct places here. Okay. First, the hat that belongs to mother. The hat that belongs to mother. In short, we have to write here mother's hat. So we have to put here apostrophe mother's hat. It means the hat belongs to mother. The hat that belongs to mother. Okay. Next, the house that belongs to Rita. In short, we have to write here Rita's house. So we have to put here apostrophe after Rita. Okay. Rita's house means the house belongs to Rita. Okay. Next, third, the books that belong to girl. Girl's book. So we have to put here apostrophe after girl means girl's book. Once again, I wrote here the girl's book. Apostrophe is given here. Okay. To understand all of you. Next, the cat belongs to boy. Means in short we have to write boy's cat. Okay. So I am writing correctly the boy's, and we have to put here apostrophe after the boy's cat. Okay. Next, the toy belongs to dog. Dog's toy. So we have to put here apostrophe after the dog. It means dog's toy. Toy belonging to the dogs. Okay. Next, the cap belongs to the player. Next, the player's cap. The player's apostrophe after the player we have to put here. We should have to put here apostrophe player's cap. Next, 7, the book that belongs to Gina means Gina's book. We can speak shortly Gina's book. So we have to put here comma. So you will not get understand. So I am writing here once again properly Gina's book. Okay. Next, the football that belong to girl. The girls' footballs. The girls that girls belongs to. Football belongs to that girl. Okay. So all of you have to write properly once again. This is the answer. We should have to give the apostrophe after the noun, after the someone belongs to. Okay. Let us do revision of full stop and question mark. We have to do here revision of full stop. Full stop, this is the full stop. See in this, we have given the full stop, and question mark, means it is the punctuation mark, full stop and question mark. Both are punctuations. So now I am taking the revision here. So all of you have to take the revision with the help of this example. We already learned the full stop and question mark. So you know that sentence that tells something or states something is a statement. You know already know that. You know that when we should have to give the full stop, when the sentence tells something, states, or something tells something. For example, Rohan was angry. Radha was playing. Anjali came inside the room. These sentences give the tells something about someone. Something is happening. Someone is talking to someone. It is the clear statement. Next, a sentence that asks about something is called question. A sentence that asks about something. Asking. When we ask something, it is a question. We use question mark. So we can use question mark at the end of a question. Okay. See the example here. Who had taken place at school? Will you listen to me? Next question you can ask. Will you help me? You can make a simple question. Will you help me? What is your name? What is your name? If someone is asking to someone, it is a question. Okay. I hope you understood the punctuation. Full stop. Full stop means someone is telling something. Okay. And at the end of the sentence, we should have to give the full stop. And what is the question mark? When someone is asking to someone about something, it's called question, or this sentence called a question. Okay, let us see the exercise. Let us do it. Tick if the punctuation marks have been used correctly. We have to put here tick if the punctuation mark have been given correctly or used correctly here. First example, I am sleepy. Here given the question mark. This is not a question. This is the statement. Someone is telling I am sleepy. I feel sleepy. So this is the simple statement. So we have to put here full stop. But here given the question mark. So this is not use here correct punctuation. So we should not use here tick, or we cannot tick here. Next sentence. Next, is the blue sky? This is the question. Yes, is the sky blue? This is a question. Someone is asking. So here punctuation mark question is given already. So this is the correct. Next, what time does the class start? What time? Here the question is asking to someone. Someone is asking about the class time. But here given the full stop. So it is not a punctuation mark has given or used properly, used correctly. So we should not give here tick here. So we cannot tick this sentence because it is the wrong. Okay, dear kids, did you understand? Next, did you wash your hands before eating? We have to put here tick in the box. Okay, did you wash your hands before eating? Yes, this is the question. Did you wash your hands before eating? So full stop is the correct punctuation mark here given wrong. We should have to put here question mark. So this punctuation mark is wrong. Next, I went to see a play yesterday. Yes, I went to see a play yesterday. This is the sentence telling something about something. Okay, or telling something about someone. Here given the full stop, this at the end of the sentence given the full stop. That's why this sentence is the correct, telling something about someone. So this is the correct answer. So we have to put here correct tick. Next question C. Full stop. Sorry, put full stop or question mark at the end of these sentences. First, I am hungry. I am hungry. Here we have to. What should we have to we give here? Which punctuation mark we have to use here? Here telling something. I am hungry. So we have to put here full stop. Second, can I go home now? Can I go home now? It is the question. So we have to put here question mark. Third, where are we having lunch? Where are we having lunch? This is the question. Someone is asking about lunch. So we have to put here question mark. Let us play. Let us play. So we have to put here full stop. Fifth, that was a nice game. This is the clear statement telling something about the game, not asking questions. So this is the statement. So we have to put here full stop. Number 6, why are you crying? Yes, someone is crying. That's why someone is asking, why are you crying? What is the reason? Why are you crying? So we have to put here question mark.